Hey guys, so this is the final look that I'm going to do for you. So make sure that you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. You know, you don't want to miss out on anything because it takes me forever to upload them anyway. So, alright, I'm going to get into it now. Hey guys, so I know it's been forever, but you know, hi. Alright, so this is going to be sort of more glammy than I normally do. So I've tried it out before, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop some pore stuff on just under my eyes mainly and around my nose, so like that, like to minimize all those pores on my cheeks and on my nose, so that when I put my foundation on it's a lot better. Alright. So I'll do that, and then I'll pop on the Azalea primer and let that all go until it's tacky, and I'll do my eyeshadow while I'm at it. And now I seem to have misplaced my eyeliner, which I am not impressed by, so I'm gonna do sort of like a faux eyeliner, if you will. So like I'm just gonna get a brown. Whew, it's red all around there. Alright, so just rub that all in on my face and down the neck as well. And then I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Sweet Peach that I got from my lovely sister-in-law. And I'm gonna go in with the E1 brush, and so I'm just gonna go in with a brown and just do it along the crease. Just sort of, God, this stuff smells good. Just go all around. I think I had some orange left over on my brush. Oh well. So just gonna keep going. Doesn't actually look too bad with the orange. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go in with the darker brown, which is called Summer Yum. Just give it in that corner there. Just in the outer V and sort of blend it out. So just like that, and then I'm going to get another brush, and it's sort of like a packing brush. It's called the Vegan Dual Paddle, but I'm going to use this side, and I'm going to go in with the Cobbler, which is sort of a brown shimmery shade, and I'm just going to pack that onto the actual lid. And then I'm going to get the blending brush and give it a good old blend just in that bit there, so sort of like make it a half cut crease. And then I'm going to get the Luscious colour and just sort of blend it in there. So the Luscious is sort of like a grey brown. There we go, just like that. Then I'm going to go in with this brush here, and I'm going to go in with the Charmed, I'm sure, which is, no, sorry, the Peach Pit, which is sort of like a black brown, and just give it a wee dust over, just to make it give the look of eyeliner. Again, I'm sorry I keep putting the mirror up. I really am very, very blind without my glasses. So yeah, just sort of give it a fake look for just a rare touching of eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation, which I'm using the OXX, and then I'm going to go in with my Vegan Flat Face from Shane XO and just pack that all over my face. Seeing now it's quite tacky and it should blend well. Don't forget those ears. And really paying attention to those red bits. Like, man, my face is red at the moment. Down the neck. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my contour. I got some new things the other day, so I got this really cool finishing powder that I'm going to be using, and it's again by OXX because I love this stuff. It's cheap and it's good. I should have really opened them before I came on camera. What a silly minky. That's not the one that I wanted. Alright, and I've also got the Sunkissed bronzer by e.l.f. So I'll be using that after my contour, and I got a new finishing spray by OXX as well. Oh my god, I can't open it. Finally got it open. Sorry for that, guys. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the contour, and I'm just going to use this brush here, which is the Colourpop. It's come off. Alright, so just along the cheekbone and up to the temple. Just around the forehead there. And along the jawline. Alright, make sure it's nicely blended out. Then I'm going to go in with my concealer. And I am using the e.l.f. today. And just a tiny bit. I think I'm out. Alright, so I'm not going to go in with the e.l.f. I'm going to go in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Alright, so just in the corners there. down the nose. God, my nose is crooked sometimes. Alright, I'm gonna go in there because it's really dark on there today. And then I'm gonna tap that in with the Colourpop. This one, it has no label because, you know, it keeps coming off whenever I wash my brushes. So just blend that out. Alright, and then, excuse me, then I'm going to go in with the contour again. I'm going to do my nose. And I'm going to go in with this brush, which is a cheap brush, but I really like it for the nose contour. Just make sure that's all blended out. And then I'm going to go in with my bronzer, which is by e.l.f. and it's called Sunkissed Glow. So this is the first time I've used it, so see how I go. Alright. I like it. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with some blush, because I don't generally use blush, but when I do, I really like it. So, where is it? I thought I got it out, but apparently I did not. Sorry guys for the searching. I swear that I got it out. Unless I am really, really blind without my glasses, but I don't think I'm that blind. Highlighter. Seriously, where did it go? Alright, so apparently I have completely misplaced it, which is not the best thing to have done right now. Seriously guys, like, I actually cleaned this up the other day and now I've misplaced like literally everything. Probably because I cleaned it up. Excuse me for the throat. Alright, so no blush because, you know, I suck. Oh, wait a minute. No. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the Super Shock Cheek Wisp by Colourpop. really get that nose, you know, because highlight. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna go in with the Make Me Brow and just do my brows. Just give them a little bit of definition. Keeps falling off. Driving me crazy. Driving me crazy. Alright. And I'm going to go in with this lipstick here and just give it a real, just a light look. I was wondering whether I should go red, and then I was like, nah, no red. Alright guys, so that is my final look. I think I'm just going to go in with a little bit of highlighter just in the corners of my eyes. So I'm going to go in with my Goddess of Faith. Just give it a bit of highlight in there. A little bit too much. Whoops, daisy. Oh well, can never have too much highlight, am I right? Alright, so I'm actually gonna go over that colour pop with this as well, just because I really love it. I really love looking shiny. I don't know why. I just really like looking shiny. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this and use it as my finishing spray. But first off, I need to use the finishing powder. So it even has a wee brush thing. How cute. Alright. I hate when they do this. I can't get it out. Alright, hold on. So what I'm going to do is, so it's more a yellow powder, which I don't normally use because I'm so pale. So I'm going to tap it out on there. Alright. Oh, it doesn't give it a yellow sheen, which is quite nice because I have like blue undertones, so sometimes it looks really weird when I do that. So now I'm going to go in with this spray. There we go, guys. That is my final look. I hope you guys have a really good day and thanks for watching. Now, if you liked this, make sure that you subscribe and make sure you check that notification bell. So like and subscribe, notification bell. Have a good day, guys.